Good morning, sweetheart. I made your favorite blueberry pancakes with extra syrup today.
Wow, Mom, thank you. These look so good.
You're my special girl. I'm going to make every day amazing for you.
Morning, Mom. Pancakes smell nice. Are there some for me?
Yeah, Nora, they're on the counter. Go ahead and take some, sweetie.
Guess I'm not the favorite anymore.
Mom has been so loving to me lately, but Nora looks upset.
Lily, look what I got you today! The new sparkly water bottle you wanted! And I packed extra cookies in your lunchbox for tomorrow!
Wow, Mom, it's so pretty. Thank you so much.
Anything for my sweet girl. You deserve it.
Mom, can you help me with my math homework? I'm stuck on these fractions.
Just give me a minute, Nora. Let me finish helping Lily first, okay?
Okay.
This is happening again. Nora looks really sad this time. Hey, Nora, you've been really quiet lately. Is everything okay?
Lily, Mom is giving you so much attention now. New stuff, hugs, special breakfast every day. I know she's not ignoring me on purpose, but it still feels like I'm invisible. It hurts a little.
Yeah, I noticed it too. After my birthday, Mom started trying really hard to make up for ignoring me before. She feels guilty. That's why she's overdoing it with me. But now you're the one feeling left out.
And
that's not fair.
I just don't want to feel invisible, Betta.
Don't worry. I'll talk to Mom tonight.
How was your day, baby? Mommy is always here for you now, and no more ignoring my Lily.
Mom, I really appreciate everything you've been doing lately. The pancakes, the hugs, all of it.
Of course, sweetheart. You deserve it.
But Mom, Nora is feeling really sad.
Nora? What do you mean?
You're not doing it on purpose. I know that. You're just trying to make up for before.
Yeah.
But now she feels left out. We both need you, Mom. Not extra for one, just fair for both.
Oh, Lily, you're right. I was so busy fixing one mistake, I didn't see I was making another.
It's okay, Mom.
No, it's not okay. Nora must be hurting and I didn't even notice.
We just want our mom. The same for both of us.
I promise I'll make it right. For both of you. Thank you for telling me. You're such a smart and kind girl. You two mean everything to me, and I love you both the same. I'm gonna do better. For both of you.
Thanks, Lily, for understanding me.
That's what sisters are for.
I'm really lucky to have you.
Yeah, now it really feels right. Love feels best when it's shared, because then no one feels left out.
How did you like this story? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.
Like and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Hi!